The long game. Game start. All right, so this is episode 1 of the Ring programming language. And if this all works out, I mean, this language, it comes with like everything. So this is a dedicated IDE that it comes with. I don't even know how to describe it. It just has so much. It's like GUI libraries built in, form builder built in, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, we're gonna go through the book, and it's been around since 2016 apparently, but it only has like 1,000 stars, which is fine. I'm just saying I had never heard of it, but it's been around for a while and it's already stable. Like people are writing production software in it. There's pretty good activity around it, so yeah, I mean, I'm encouraged by it. Yeah, I'm excited to just start this, to be honest with you. So anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. I don't know why, but there's something so off-putting about the whole, just like all the everything I've tried so far. Just all the mainly the editors. You know, it's hard to. It's the dev environment part. That shit is fucking annoying. Like holy hell, it's annoying. Just getting the dev environment set up. So the fact that like if something comes along like this where everything is contained, self-contained, there's a dedicated IDE just for the language, I'm there, brother. I'm gonna give it a shot. So Ring projects. We're just gonna do this up in here. Y'all gonna make me go all out. Um. Oh, but wait, there's a bunch of example apps I think in here. I'll just start here and then we'll see. But open, open. Oh, file. Uh. No, I don't have a particular file I want to open. Local disk C, ring. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna follow the book. I'll quit fucking around, but I I think I want to stop. Nope. 7, 6. This one, I guess. We'll just go with it. What? What? Be careful. What? No, that's what I had on this morning. I put pants on. Be careful, babe. Okay. Bye. Okay. Alright, now we can get started. Villainous Overlord. Alright. This will be a little different. I'm going to have to stay hydrated, brother, because I'm going to have to read to y'all. Because, yeah, we're doing it this way. Oh, actually, can I do this? Can I move this over here? Oh, I can put it up there. That's cool. Main window. What the hell? Project files, source code. Oh, and I can just tab it? No. How do I switch tabs? let's do that first. We'll look at shortcuts. GUI library, about, file, pow, 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 activate. Okay, class, oh, so it's very alt driven. I like that. Alt P for project, Alt S for source, Alt W for web. Oh man, this speaks to me. Alt F, Alt C for class. Hell yeah, brother. And select file, Alt L. So Alt P, Alt S. Ooh, man, I like it already. I fucking like it, brother. Not like it like that. Okay. F. But you can't close it after the fact. I thought it had a view where I could do something. There we go. But if I, oh, but now that doesn't do anything. Alt S. No, that doesn't work. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then in the window, I can do Alt D for designer, Alt W. Ooh. Oh, it's got an actual browser in there too. Incredible. All right, anyway. To the soul of my father, Mosen, who gave me his ringas, a message, and a lifelong. I'm not sure what that is. So this language is, as far as I can tell, originated in the Middle East somewhere. Hence his ringas or whatever. I'm not sure what that means, but no matter. I need no. That might be better. No. Actually, that might. Yeah, that's fine. Forward, Ring was created with a goal to be a new language for a new programming experience, developing a programming language that we can rely on when we are thinking about the problems we need to solve instead of being constrained by the syntax and the rigidity of the programming paradigm is not an easy endeavor. I'm not going to read all this verbatim. I might scan a little. The general mindset cultivated by the program domain. Yeah. No, really, you should go check it out. I already read through this like last night, so I'm not going to do it again. But let's see about the book, though. Every feature of the language finds its origin in a problem I faced when I was working on the PWCT. So if you see that acronym, it's programming without code tools. So like visual programming tools, basically, or AKA no code, but much different because like the type of tools that they've referenced and that I've seen, like WinDev, if you ever, I don't know, want to look it up, it's a paid tool, but that's an actual no code builder, but they're still very complicated. You still have to know like what you're doing. I don't know. To me, I'm not sure that it's even easier than just writing text, frankly, especially not for web because web is so interactive, but whatever. But that's what that acronym is. Complex. Many technical constructs famously known to be complex in programming, such as MVC, model view controller architecture. That's what sucks, man. It's like it's not complicated, but then it is. Like when you actually get in there and do it, it's so very complicated. Just as a function of the language, though, not necessarily the architecture. The architecture is probably the simplest thing that you'll encounter, especially if we're talking like JavaScript. Oh, they're from, so Mahmoud Samir Fayed, creator of Ring, Egypt. Okay, my bad. Well, I guess, I don't know if that qualifies as Middle East, but January 2020. Yeah, so this is a I'll let him tell it. Intro. In Tunisia, a nation that is more than 3,000 years old and my motherland, ancient building engineers left us the second biggest Roman theater in the world, Al-Ham, the first Islamic university, Al-Zaytuna, and the prestigious Cathedral of St. Vincent de Paul in the heart of the capital, Tunis. Tunis? Tunchi? Okay, Ring. Like a beautiful star, Ring shines in the sky of the new generation of programming languages because of its outstanding learnability, expressiveness, and extreme flexibility. The language is remarkably dogma-free and embraces declarative and natural programming in an effective new way. It is ranked in the top 100 most popular programming languages. That's interesting. So, really? Not that I doubt the claim, but my only the TIOB index, huh? Programming is an indicator of the popularity of programming languages. It's updated once a month. They're based on the number of skilled engineers worldwide, courses, and third-party vendors. This is already bullshit. Not that, I mean, I don't know how they're served by lying about it, but there's no way that JavaScript is sixth. That's, no. Is this a top to bottom? Rank number 1, 2? Yeah. No, there's no way. Absolutely not. All right. I could maybe. Well, no, there's no fucking way. Like, even by the number of, like, if somehow they could track active projects, like, there's not more Go programs in the world than Fortran. There's not more. I still wouldn't even say, I mean, if you count a website, I wouldn't even say there's more C programs. Although that could be close, like that compared to JavaScript. You could say that's close, but C Sharp? Java? C++? I don't think so. I really doubt that. And certainly not Python apps. Now, usage by packages, but then JavaScript would be number 1 by far because there's so many fucking, yeah, and I don't know. But we'll take it in stride. Visual Basic over SQL? That's fucking impossible because all of these, almost everything is going to use a some kind of relational database. So that, yeah, whatever. This is not correct. MATLAB over Rust and Swift and fucking Ruby also makes no sense. Yeah, whatever. That's ridiculous. 21. Visual Fox Pro still at 28. Dude, my ass. How do they... It doesn't matter. This is definitely wrong. RPG. Never heard of that one. F-hash mentioned. The next 50 denotes 50 through 100. Since they're really small, the programming languages are only listed in alphabetical order. Everybody's published unofficially because it could be the case of missed language if you have. So they have some bumfuck algorithm, I guess, they use that's clearly not working. The next 50 programming languages. Oh, yeah. Average positions for a period of 12 months. Python, C++, C, Java. I don't understand how you would assess SQL in there, though. You could convince me of like everything else, I guess, over the last year, but still. And in 2019, this was third. This was number 1. No, whatever. It's fine. Okay, Programming Language Hall of Fame. Huh? Well, whatever, dude. This is fucking waste of time. All right, so let's go back to the book. Okay, so the point is it's doing well. So it was released in 2016. The book. The main goal of this book is to help you gain a gentle yet rigorous introduction to the world of Ring programming. Part 1, we will learn how to install Ring, bird's eye view of the language. Okay, sweet. That's what I want to get done today, at least. Part 2 is where you'll learn how Ring manages inputs, outputs, and what's in between, the basic constructs of logic, sequence, selection, iteration. Yeah, this will be comprehensive. This will be good. In part 3, we'll master the 2 conceptual constructs every programmer truly needs, functions and objects. Oh, hell yeah, brother. The book was written over a period of 9 months with a lot of patience, consideration, and love of sharing. Okay. And this book is for people that are passionate about the craftsmanship culture in writing code, thinking in code, solving algorithmic problems in a beautiful, expressive, and learnable programming language. Okay. Here's what we'll learn. Getting started, master data types, I/O, GUI widgets, events, functions, perfect, carry out structural, object-oriented, functional, declarative, natural, and metaprogramming. Once you see the syntax, you'll like it because that's what really drew me in. Yeah. And just so you know, it's written in C. It's cross-platform. You can run it on any platform, even OpenBSD, brother. And you can produce apps for all platforms too, which is what's so cool about it. And it's written in C. It's open source. All that jazz. But the language itself is dynamically typed. But what's really interesting about it is you can actually opt out of the garbage collector simply by adding. They have like break statements. And the equivalent of, not malloc, whatever the deallocate is, the free keyword. I forget what it is in C, but you can actually control when you release memory. So it's really interesting. And there are rules around the dynamic typing. So if you, like in theory, you could still write really fast code. And then they have transparent interop with C++ and C, and there's even compilers. So normally it would run on a virtual machine, but there are compilers to WASM, JavaScript. They have a ton of GUI libraries that are already built into it. Raylib, all the, Actually, let me just show you. Ring lang. Ring ding dong. Check this out. Look at this. OpenGL, SQLite, ODBC drivers. You got a web server, Raylib, curl, database drivers, WASM, Qt for GUIs. It's pretty sick, man. If it even lives up to half the stuff it says it can do, then I'm gonna be a happy little pumpkin. All right, so table of contents. Yeah, let's get going, brother. And the install was easy. I'm gonna do it on Windows. I'm tired of fucking with. If it says it's fine on Windows, I'm just gonna do it on Windows because. So these are Mansour Ayuni is one of the main contributors. There's a Google group that you can join on. You can go to the website Ringlang. Just search for Ringlang if you want to check it out. Bert footnotes double. What? SourceForge, whatever that is. All right, getting started. My objective in this chapter is to get you set up with a Ring for the next chapters of the book. I'll also connect you emotionally to the beauty of the language. First, I'll guide you how to install it, get it up and running. During the process, you'll discover the date and time functions, the list data type, and how you can easily define your own functions. All with the goal of writing expressive code. Finally, I'll introduce you to a rich set of available Ring documentation. Okay. Here's what we'll learn. Download the install. So I did this part. It's literally just an executable on Windows. So I mean, can't bork that up. And then there hasn't been a ton of. So we're covering 1.11 apparently, and it's only now on 1.2. But it is stable, and people, like I said, people are writing apps in it. So that's what's awesome about this. It's not like some esoteric thing. It's like, no, you can just start using it. That's always awesome when you find stuff at that stage. Okay, discovering the Ring install folder. You're only a few steps of having Ring up and running. Before doing so, let's look at the content in the installation folder. C Ring in my case. Okay, so put it in the root, which I did, so good. Yeah. Unlike other common tools where you might feel like a stranger in Moscow, you can do a lot with the Ring installation folder. You can jump directly into writing Ring code in the Ring Notepad tool, and that's what I got up on the right-hand side here. But if you stick with me here, you won't be disappointed. Okay, you can open a PowerPoint presentation about the language from the presentation folder. Oh, sick. Okay, I want to do that. The long game. Game start. I can't get that fucking song out of my head. Pin to quick access. Ding ding dong. Ring ding ding. Uh-oh. Oh, duh, you can't see that. Okay, here. Ring. Presentations. Lies. Marketing. Presentation. PowerPoint. Let's do this. Practice my skills here, brother. Welcome to my talk on the Ring programming language. Free open source. HTTPS. Come visit my insecure website. Okay? No, they fixed that, so I don't know what's up with that. Contents, motivation, features, why Ring, and a practical demo. Motivation, creating a new version of the programming without coding technology software. The current version, PWCT, maybe this is their term, I don't know. 1.9 is developed for Windows. PWCT. We decided to use one programming language for creating the development environment, for component scripting, and for creating the applications. We looked at many languages like C, C++, Java, C#, Lua, PHP, Python, and Ruby. We avoided using C or C++ directly because we want high level of productivity more than the level provided by these languages. Also a language behind visual programming environment for novice programmers or professionals must be easy to use and productive. To use one for creating the development environment, for component scripting, and for creating the apps. I'm not sure what they... Because... if you go to the GitHub... Go to the GitHub. It says it's written in C, yeah. I mean, I don't know, but this might be talking about something different. Java and C# are avoided for some reason too. We wanted to use a dynamic programming language. Oh, I think they're explaining how they got to the point of creating Ring, yeah. Also C# through Mono, which was the open source implementation, but the use of a huge number of classes and forcing the use of objects using verbose is not right for us. Yeah, seriously, that's what turned me off to a lot of things. I just can't. I hate doing things with classes. I don't care whether it's, well, I guess that is OO, but I don't know. That whole paradigm is just a mess to me. It's so unnecessary. Very unnecessary. Small and fast, we need more power. PHP is a web. God, thank you for not using that. Python and Ruby are more like we need, but we need something faster. And they're case sensitive. That's not good. Features, this is what they wanted out of it. Okay. Successor to the Supernova. I guess that was the previous project. taking inspiration from Java, C#, Lisp, Smalltalk, Lua, PHP, Python, Ruby, Harbor, Visual, FoxPro, QML, and Rebol. Rebol is pretty cool. Why Ring? The language is simple. Tries to be, yeah, okay, yeah. Designed with a clear goal, simple language, straightforward syntax. What's also cool that I learned, you can change the keywords. So if you want to do a read, they do, like, the default is C. So C, hello world. And then if you want to give input, you would say give, whatever. But you can change that easily and change it again and again, not like per project. So that's really nice. The main function is optional and will be executed after the statements and is useful for using the local scope. Uses dynamic typing and lexical scoping. No $sign is required before the variable name. Hot dog. You can use the plus operator for string concat, and the language is weakly typed and will convert automatically between numbers and strings based on the context, which, yeah, also looks interesting, which we'll look at more in a minute. Ring is not case sensitive. Good. The list index starts from 1. Now I know all the little Harveys be like, yeah, this says 0. Whatever, brother. Look, I got to try something different, because I've tried to this point like 18 different programming languages, like a proper try, building little apps in them and whatnot. Nothing's hit. So hey, I got to let go of that stupid shit. It's funny to hear about, and it's funny to hear blah blah blah, but when you actually let it get in the way of productivity, it's actually become a problem for me. So I'm like, I just got to let that stuff go and just try something. And this is that. So we'll see how it goes. Trying to be natural. Call functions before definition. 1, 2, 3. Func1. Call functions before definition. That's a little too cowboy, but no, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I probably still wouldn't write it that way, but as long as I don't have to write it that way. But that's cool. And it's not a white space language, just FYI. It is also not it's not indentation driven for scope. The assignment operator uses deep copy, no references in this operation, meaning we make the assumption that we're always going to do a clone, but we still have the option to call a reference if we need to. A list 1, 2, 3, a list 2 is equal to a list, not a reference to, or sorry, a list 2 would be equal to 1, 2, 3, an array with values 1, 2, 3, also not a reference to a list. A list 1 is 1. C a list 1, print 1. C a list 2, print 1. Oh, I see, because it's a deep copy. So after you changed it, a list 2 is unaffected. Okay. Pass numbers and strings by value, but pass lists and objects by reference. Oh, okay, so there is a distinction. So that's good. So they choose the more efficient default between the two. So pass numbers and strings by value, list and objects by reference. Or I should say the more performant, yeah. Common between the two. The for in loop can update the list items. Func main a list, update a list, C a list, print 1, 2, 3. Oh, so that's your, okay, that's, okay, console.log or whatever, or println. Func update a list for X in a list, switch X. Ooh, func update a list. I like the SQL nod for X in, so X being our iterator, in a list, which is 1, 2, 3, switch X on 1, X equal 1, on 2, oh, wait a minute. So like a swap of iterator for the value, because it starts as 1, 2, 3, and then we're saying on element 1, numeric 1, set it to the string 1, 2, so on and so forth. And so I guess the switch, oh, I see, switch ends in off. And then next. Interesting. I like it. Using list during definition, a list equal an array of arrays. Oh, hell yeah, brother. See a list. Print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a list 1, which would be 1. One, two, three. Oh, first element, so it repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a list 1. Oh, so you can self-reference like that. That's really neat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, makes sense, yeah. Exit from more than one loop. For x equal 1 to 10, for y equal 1 to 10. Oh, man. See x equal. Oh, so print x equal plus x plus x plus. Oh, to concatenate. So x equals, and then whatever x is, and that'll concatenate with a space y equals, and then whatever y is, plus n1. Oh, wait, that's NL in the new line. Is that what that? Yeah, okay. If x equal 3 and y equal 5. Exit 2, exit from 2 loops because we got 2 4s. Okay. Next, next. Okay, so I suppose for and next are the correspondence. Okay to notify there's no error, otherwise probably do something with errors maybe, I don't know. The language encourage organization, forget bad days using languages where the programmer starts with function, then class, then function, and a strange mix between things. Each source file follow the next structure. Packages, classes, and functions without the need to use a keyword to end these components. Huh. We can write one-line comments and multi-line. Okay. Hell yeah, dude. This is just like SQL syntax. It's so cool. Print message, see what is your name, print message on screen, give CNAME, get input from the user. This really is, that's what our, yeah, all of our, I actually hated that because you can see the data type, but I worked with all these old heads, so they would name their fields like that. CNAME for character, it's a character field, and the name is name. Yeah. Transparent implementation. Ring comes with transparent implementation. We can know what is happening in each compiler stage and what is going on during the runtime virtual machine. Example, ring hello world.ring -tokens -rules -ic see hello world. Oh, that's cool. The tokenizer and the lexer, literal inline. Dang, that's pretty cool, man. Is designed using the PWCT visual programming tool. Oh, this must be their some other thing that they built, maybe, I don't know, but this is not the same thing. I thought it was the same thing. What is comes with autocomplete colors. If you want to learn programming, create app systems, or get new ideas about visual programming in the practice, then you are at the right place. The goal of this project is to present programming to every computer users, whether they're beginners or professionals. Oh, this is also free and open source. Some are using the software. At my site, I have used the software to create a new programming language as a proof that the technology is productive, powerful, and unlimited. The language is called the Supernova programming language. Free and open source, so the software can be used in many different apps. Also, we developed the Ring programming language using PWCT based on the C programming language. Oh, so this thing, so they designed it with this, and then I guess it compiles to C. That's interesting. And then you write it again, and then you compile to C again. That's pretty trippy, brother. Huh. So I guess this is also meant to be, well, obviously also meant to be visual, but maybe Ring is like the next iteration of that, like a closer to the end user. Like this seems more lower level, primitive. Super server programming? Whoa. Compatible. Support C, Python, C#, Harbor, and Supernova. Microsoft Windows product. Works fine on Linux using Wine. Create Windows apps. Create multiform. It's not a wizard for creating your app in 1, 2, 3 steps. It's a general purpose visual programming tool designed for novice and expert programmers. Huh. It's still going too. Okay, so let me go ahead and download this, brother. Hold on, wait. Let me save this and all the usual. PWCT. Buyout. Oops. And Ringlang. It's mighty interesting. Fayed. Oh, that's the guy's name. This software isn't trusted. Run anyway, brother. Just do it. Just fucking do what I say. Oh, snap. I agree. Okay, so we'll look at that later, but that's really interesting. So it was built with yet another tool. The language is not line sensitive. A lot of this is going to be redundant, I guess. So maybe I shouldn't. I should just just go back to the book. Where'd you go? Amazon. Okay. Go to the samples folder for more than 500 code snippets and instructive tutorials. Wow. In the apps folder, there are dozens of real-world applications made by the community. Yeah, so check this out. This is Look at all these apps. I mean, you can checkers. You see the code right there, brother? There's something very beautiful about it. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, that is, oh my gosh. This is what I want to, this is what I want to do, but for web pages. So you can literally just put the text on a, like put your HTML elements in positions on a grid like this made up of text, and it'll just appear there. So you don't have to fuck around with CSS, like, and it'll just write the CSS for you. That's what I want. This is what I've been wanting, man. The closest thing that I've seen to this that was textual like that was Elm UI, but even that was still kind of CSS-y, like you're still writing CSS. I want to be able to set it one time, like write your file one time, but the actual positioning would be CSS variables relative to the page, and then have something like this. So you can have, like, you know, a nav element, image 1, image 2, section, block, card, like, you know what I'm, oh my gosh, and we're gonna do it. We're so gonna fucking do it. Well, I'm gonna do it. I don't know about y'all, but this is so cool, man. Let's run it. Pie out. Sick, dude. See, like, it, this is so cool. I don't know how to play, but I mean, you're not getting this kind of interactivity, you know. Well, not many other environments, just out of the box, dude. That's nuts. It's a fucking godsend. It's just interesting enough, like fun enough to freaking get your blood flowing, you know? Because a lot of times it's just difficult because you don't know what the fuck to build. It's like, okay, I want to learn programming. What the fuck does that mean? Learn syntax? Cool. And then what? Just write it over and over, a bunch of like fake functions that don't do anything. You know, you gotta have a target. That was one of my biggest problems that I didn't realize for a long time. Anyway, okay, so we got example apps. You can see internals of Ring by skimming the test folder. You can learn about code editors that Ring supports. Yeah, you don't have to use this. There are some other ones. VS Code has support. Sublime has support. Vim. But I love the fact that it has its own IDE. Like, you just go to one spot and everything's there. I wouldn't trade that for any level of support in a third-party editor. That's perfectly fine to me. Let's see. Launch the Notepad. Not only is Ring installable, whatever your platform, but also Ring programs are distributable nearly automatically to any platform your users are on, desktop, mobile, or server, no matter what operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. In addition, because Notepad is just a Ring app, nothing prevents you from running it on your Android or iPad tablet. Shut the fuck up. On the iPad, brother? What? What do you mean? So I can literally put oh, the executable. I guess. I don't know if that's what they're saying, but it's just a Ring application. Nothing prevents you from running it on your Android or iPad tablet. I'm gonna have to try that because I have an iPad right here next to me. But I mean, it can't be the .exe, so I guess there's a Mac OS install that I'll have to go through, but that's fine. Okay, the first Ring program. But rather to take you on your first trip around the Ring garden, plunge your eyes into its colorful basin of floating flowers, and take a deep breath of its reanimating air surrounding the place, the Ring syntax. This guy's deep, really. This is not gratuitous poetry. You got a link here? What is that? As a hobby, I use Ring to make visual poetry essays that combine shapes, colors, animations, and sounds. Thanks to the Ring game engine? Huh. That's pretty sick. This has influenced my style of writing code, as you will observe in several snippets we're going to produce together in the book. Cool, man. Organizing yourself. First, let's create a folder under C to host all our code snippets for this book. Name it Ring Book. All right. Is there a terminal? Oh, I just call it up here. Okay. That's all right. Oh, yeah, it's not my terminal. Where is my terminal? Clear. I don't have LK on this machine here. Y'all are in for a treat. This is one of the best programs ever. Go walk. Dude, why would it show me that? Go label. There you go. A GUI toolkit for the Windows programming language. What? That's not what I wanted. I thought this. Okay, my bad. This one. What? No, I just want fuck. Oh, there it is. GitHub. Star that. Oh, it's pretty popular. Yeah, it's super handy. It's my favorite way to. It's yeah. I mean, it's the best way to just get around any file system anywhere. Cannot find go root. What? Okay. File type. I don't want to put it here. I guess, well, I don't know. Should I? I guess it doesn't matter. Oh, no, I'm in my home folder. Yeah. There it is. And bin. Oh, no, I just need to add it to my path. That's what it is. System. I think. I always forget how to do it on Windows. This is like the only. Is it settings? Oh my gosh. Settings. I forget what they call it on yeah, there it is. Gross. User profile. Oh no, it's environment variables. Damn it. But as long as I have, go Ben Gobbin. Oh, dude, come on. I can't fucking open my profile settings. Seriously? You fucking embarrass me like that? Oh, here it is down here. I didn't realize it had popped up. Okay. Whoops. Not bad. Yeah. Environment variables. Beef path. Go path. Oh, that's why. Oh, because I uninstalled it just now, just earlier. Go. That's all you need, right? G. Isn't go root like? I don't think you need that anymore. Go root. Old school, brother. Go land. Whatever. I'm not gonna fuck with anything else. Okay. So that, and then now I should be able to do it. Why the fuck do I need go root, dude? God damn it. Okay, fine. I'll just fucking do that. Fucking. Wait, but what is go root supposed to be for? What is go root? Oh, that's okay. Oh, good. I like when they have equivalents now. PowerShell, for the most part, has done a good job of accommodating a lot of the more handy. Oh, I gotta, yeah. I did, brother. What the fuck? Sometimes Terminus or Termius acts a little goofy on. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Scoop. Oh, that's. I should have installed it with Scoop. Yeah. Scoop is like never, literally never thrown an error for me. It's been so fucking good. It's been so good, brother. Go root. I don't know why it's capitalized, but I'm just gonna leave it. Go root. Not you. And oh, that's what. Go root. Echo. Fucking mug shit. Fucking. Dear God. Go get. What do you mean cannot find go root C? You know what? I don't really need that fucking program. Windows can kiss my ass. Right after I said all those nice things about it. No, why isn't it working? I do want to fix it, actually. It's going to bother me. Okay, go. Go path. I guess it's different on Linux, because on Linux it's there's go bin and go. Well, you don't have to set go path. Or man, maybe you fucking I don't. Import. I don't know what that is. Go. Or no. Where go? That's what it was, wasn't it? Which go? Where did I fucking... Oh, cannot find. One of them showed them to me. Go. Oh, it's go inv. So I need to add this to my path. Which I thought I did, but maybe that's because it needs to be at the system level. This is all coming back to me now, and I remember why I don't do this on fucking... on fucking Windows. Okay, so which one do you fucking want, brother? Go root, and go root isn't even listed here. It's annoying. Oh. Okay, so that probably is why. So yeah, let me add it to the... I did the executable, but I should have just done the folder. Wait, why is it there? How can it just be in... Oh yeah, it must be because it mixes everything in the shims folder. Okay, so let me delete that. Delete. How do I just edit the whole path? I thought I could do that. Maybe. Yeah, maybe not, brother. Yeah, oh yeah. For go root. Banal. Scoop shims. Oh, that's it. Just scoop shims. Okay, and then we will just, for safeties. All right, if this doesn't work, I'm squarely giving up. Here and there. Go inv. Looks like that works now. Go root is set. Is it? Go exe, go flags, go proxy, go path, goose. Go work. Go root, motherfucker. All right. Will you now accept? Please let me install it now. Oh, right, my bad. Go install. Come on, dude. Holy fuck. So fucking... You know what? Doesn't matter. Just fucking forget it. I'm not fucking with Go right now. Fucking Go. We already tried that. I know we started that course. I don't like it, man. I straight up just don't like Go. V has some hope, but I don't like the syntax in Go. It's too fugly after learning Swift. I can't go backwards. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna because I was thinking I'll give Go another shot because the build tools and it's portable, as is Ring. So that's why I'm here. But yeah, I can't go backwards on that. It's like you're losing way too many ergonomics there. So yeah, V still has some hope for me. All right. Anyway, before we're doing something. Something about poetry. Name it Ring Book. Oh right, create the file. That's literally how this all started. All right. Well. Clear. CD. Ring. And what do you want me to do? Let's create a folder under C. Oh, under C. Okay. create a subfolder for every chapter we are working on, such as chap 1 for the current one. Okay. Chap 1. Chapter 1. Create a ring file called touch. Hello ring. Dot ring. Oh god, dude. Okay, I'm slowly regretting this. I'm sure there's like a package that has all of. I need to just find that. Then I could use Windows and not complain at every command. But how do you? Oh, that's not so bad. Hello ring.ring. Man, fuck off. All right, it just fucking. Can I just do it from here? Oh, I can. That might have been easier. Hello, ring. And are you there? You're there. Let's do it. In the file browser. Select the C ring, chap 1, tail ring notepad. This is your active work folder. Wait, chapter 1, okay. No, I don't. But how, so what does that mean though? No. How do you do that? Oh, just select it. Okay. What, brother? Oh, it still has that other thing open. File. Open. Ring book. Why the fuck is it asking me? It's not asking for a folder, it's asking for a file. I'll just pick the file. I just want it to line up. That's all. Oh, it has a REPL. GUI console. Set the main file to be the current source. Project files. Source code. Select file. Everything here is about a file. Oh, I don't know. Run, debug, find and replace, paste, copy, cut. Everything's a file, dude. All right, whatever. I mean, yeah, that should be good enough. Literally don't see how else to do it. All right, so then click and save. You're done. Name of your new file. Asking Ring. Let's ask Ring what time it is. All right, time. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Sick. All right, so time. As you can see, we just need to type $time, press Control F5. And at the bottom, we get our time. 13:49:17. All right. Now let's ask Ring about the current date. Ah, now this is more my speed, brother. I have to do all func main int Public void stat. Ah, that's beautiful. 16. What's up with that format, though? That's grotesque. Day, month, year. Ugh. Year, month, day. Always. No slashes. All right. I wonder if there's... Yeah. There we go. That's more my speed. Oh, you have to define. All right, never mind. Okay. Ring returns the current date. What if we try a different question? Like asking about the date tomorrow. I think we can agree that tomorrow is nothing but today plus one day. And that's how Ring thinks. So we can use date and call the add days function on top. Okay. Add days. Oh, add days. Date 1. All right, simple enough. What about yesterday? What about it? Control Shift left. Oh, I can't see the... Oh, it's just not... How do I select to the right? Shift home. Oh, yeah, brother. All right. Control. All right. And do I have to do the... Can I omit that? All right, cool. Okay. What will be the exact date after a whole century? I like these little footnotes. I hate these stupid fucking pop-ups, man. They're the worst thing ever to happen to any UI. Ever. Can I turn that shit off? Okay, we'll just use the browser. God, I hate that shit so much. I think it does it in the browser too. It's just fucking Kindle sucks dick. Where are you at? That's V. How many special people change? When you were getting high. Down the wall. Can I turn that off here? It's so fucking annoying. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I don't know. It's not as overactive, at least there. Oh, wait, not this. What is that there? What if we try a different question? Something about something. Ring returns. Add days. Date 1. Oh, the century, yeah. Yeah, but what is it? Fun, 7-year-old daughter. What, brother? I thought it was a tip. I don't know about your life. All right, okay, so let's go back. Bastard, all right. Here. Well, we need to compute the number of days in a century. Let's make it simple by multiplying 365. How do I... I zoom in there, fella? No? I could have sworn you could. Surely you can. I know I did. I did it yesterday. Oh, here. Oh, that's the output, the console output. Cool. Okay. What is this then? Run, then wait, quit. Didn't do that. Font. Lowercase, capitalize, comment lines, find in files. Oh, here we go. Like controller. Just want it a little bit bigger. Okay. On 5. N equal 365 times 100. Oh, duh, a century. Okay. Add days, date, in. No? In. Oh, no, I did do it. Yeah. Okay. Let me grab you, buddy. Every time. Style, fusion. Fusion black. Oh. Okay. Control 9. Oh, that's what it was. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I build. Oh, cool. I like that. Okay, it shows you on the left. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Then what? Enough with date. Let's taste some time fruits. It's an interesting word choice, brother. All right. time. Time after time. If we decorate our code with comments using dada to tell ring to ignore line, we end up with a nice piece of conversation between us. What do you mean? Oh, okay, I see. How did time get up there? What is the current date? Date. But it doesn't print the... Okay, yeah, it doesn't. I was just curious. What time is it now? Okay, I see. Undoubtedly, time is, was, and will be the first concern of all humanity programs included. Let's imagine some basic questions about time in the context of writing computer programs, as shown here. What are the time and date now? What are the full weekday? What is the full weekday name? What is the full name of the month? Blase, blase. Ring has all of these questions covered. You need just to use time list to get the answer to any of these questions. Okay, cool. Time list. Day. Error. Using uninitialized variable day. I probably got time list. As you can probably understand from its name, this function is a list containing the answers. To get the answer, you just need to specify its index inside the list. So, oh, makes sense. In my case, time list. Oh, time list bracket 2. Saturday. Saturday. Oh, can't do that. So it starts... Sat? Wait, what? 1 is sat and 2 is Saturday? Okay. Oh, I see. Weird. 3? What is that then? 3. What the... Oh, short month and then long month is 4. Oh, okay. I'm a dummy. I was thinking each number would correspond to a day of the week, but it's today is what it's doing. Okay, my bad. Yeah, time list 16. So 1 through all the way up through 20. Time keeps on slipping. Oh no. Okay, so up to 19, and then this is the short year, I suppose. 24, yeah, okay. So up through 19, which is what it shows, makes sense. Okay. Making time list expressive. At the end of this section, you will get a complete reference of the numbers you should use as an index for every answer. Okay. This is great, but the issue with those index numbers is that there are plenty of them, and you have to learn them by heart. My objective is to avoid them altogether, so we can write something like this instead. Time list time. time instead of time list. Okay. Figure 1-15 shows the ideal replacements. So we're calling this expressive time list. TI time, hour 24, hour 12 minutes. Oh, okay. Okay. Add those lines. At the end of the hello ring file and comment out the old lines with the basic timeless syntax so they look like. Boom, boom, boom. So you can do both straight up, brother, just out the gate like that. TI time. That don't work. Time list, open bracket, tie, bracket. Is it, do I need a space there? Is it that picky? No, same thing. Can't access the list item. Object is not list in file C, ringbook, chap 1, hello ring. Oh, what isn't? Oh, time isn't. Okay. Note the use of to indent the whole block of code. Wait, can I copy that? Brother done went and made images? He's like, oh, let me type that. Oh, hell no. Listen to ring when it complains. If you were attentive enough to figure 1.15, you have noticed a strange tie before the natural time date and year. If you try to execute code, ring complains with an error. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do something better. Ring was clear enough about the problem at hand. It can't access a given list item. The list is definitely tie. And the item to be accessed is defined by its index time, in our case, because the error is first raised in line 15. Now it's 15. You might ask, where is the root cause of the error exactly? And it is related to the object time, or the index name. Ring clearly says object is not list, expecting it to be listed, but it wasn't. Let's listify it to save the world. To create a list, type the following. My list equals this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, bastard. Okay. Ooh, okay, that's nice. That's real nice. 1, 5. By analogy, you can do this. Oh, heck yeah. My listy. Cool, man. Hell yeah, brother. Tip. Create a file called tempo ring to use for your own code experimentations that are not part of the current code we are working on. For now, try the examples of declaring lists shown earlier and try to access them using not only my list, but also my list 999, my list -88, and my list without any index. Let's get back to dealing with our error message. Boing, boing. What do you mean, bro? What? Create a file called tempo. P N tempo rating. In R. Why doesn't it? Wait, can I not switch files with that little visual thingy? AP. Aw, man. NO? I guess not. That sucks, dude. Is it Alt 2? No. Surely you can switch tabs. Insert text, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize. Comment, find file, set tab, go to line, Control G. Maybe it's Control Shift 2. One, 3, 4, 6, whoa, 7, the browser, 8, 9 is everything, literally everything. Man, that's dookie, dude. How do you, like, surely you can. I'll live with it for now. Okay, my list to, my list ID index. Try the examples of declaring lists shown earlier and try to access them using not only my list, but also I don't know what he means, so I'm not going to do that. I don't know. Okay. Back to the error. The TI list we need to declare is the list of names I want to bind to every index of the time list function. I called it TI as an abbreviation of time info, but the code explains it better. See listing 1.1. Time info in a list. Maybe the, hold on, let me change the narrow. And that helps a little bit. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Girl's trying to kill me with an apple, huh? What were you gonna say? Yeah. Gotta fuel like a winner. Get it. Get him out of my face. Pretending to look